My name is Oliver Kirchhoff. I'm from Germany. I studied mechanical engineering because back in the times, 28 years ago, there was no visual effect in any university. I got into the movie industry because I made spaceships 3D model as a hobby, and someone heard about it and hired me for a sci-fi series. I'm very technical. That's also because of my history as a engineer, mechanical engineer. I think I have the talent to solve a lot of issues, technical issues that other people struggle with. I wouldn't call myself an artist. I'm more an engineer still. I can teach that skill, and that's what I plan to gain. I think you can be most successful in the industry if you master one thing or master multiple things, but you have to be a master. The requirements in the industry are not so much generalist anymore. That was in the past. Now you have to be an expert in at least one thing, and you have to be really, really good. Additionally, get your foot into the industry, especially the AAA movie scenery. It's good to make a network. It's hard to get a job, even with an impressive showreel. If you don't know anyone in the industry, gotta make a network. Get in contact with people, meet people, talk to them, and that's how you get in. It's important to always follow with the technology. There's a trend sometimes where tools being abandoned. Don't sit on your tool too long if you feel like it's going to be a thing of the past eventually. Keep on learning the tool that might promise a future. Also, look over the edge of your field, like visual effects and game industry, for example. They grow more and more together. They're actually touching already. And so it would be, a loss if you are fixated on games or visual effects when there's a so much bigger market, really. Here at iACADEMY is where game changing begins.